Good, good morning to everybody, or good afternoon, whatever time it is. Came back today, like I promised. I was gonna do a trade recap yesterday because I did take a trade yesterday, but I mean it was such a frustrating day for me. Totally my fault. I was kind of stupid, but I can show you guys all the trades, so I can show here just to prove. Yeah. So here I took a trade yesterday and I took two trades today. Usually this shows wrongs, like it depends on how I entered. But anyway, today I took two trades and yesterday I took one trade. More high frequency, yes. I usually don't trade like this, but I'm trading like this on evals because they're like with activation fee evals, and I'm trying to prioritize the ones without activation fee. I have two sets, so I have one set of no activation fee, one set with activation fee, and obviously the one without activation fee is better. But anyway, fuck this price action. Let me go to the day of yesterday. I think the trade I took yesterday was on MNQ. Yeah. I can tell you guys what exactly did I do wrong. Wait, today is 24th. So yeah, it should be around here. Yep. So that was the trade I took. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I took this trade, okay? I'm gonna explain why was I stupid. My TP was there, and my SL was, I think. Well, sorry, I think my TP was a bit more. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was like something like that. Okay, I tiger to that. I don't remember. It was something like that. Like I had my TP a bit past the high, which was a bit risky, but I just thought that we would keep flushing. We kept flushing, but not cleanly. Anyway, I entered this. Okay, I entered this, and because before I was trading on my XFAs, the last videos I was showing my XFAs, I forgot to fucking put the automatically TP in profit and risk, and I didn't apply it back. So when I entered the position, I did not have, the brackets. I didn't have my TP and my SL. So I was like, fuck, fuck, fuck. I don't want to close this thing manually because then if I close it, like let's say it comes here and it says 1,500, and then when it says 1,500, I click close, and sometimes it's like 1,100, or like 1,900. I don't know, and then I will need to I'll get fucked with the consistency rule of the evals. So I said, okay, I closed the position manually. I quickly came here, put 1,500, 1,500. When I came back, that shit was almost on my TP. Like, yeah, when I came back, that shit was like right there. And then I'm not gonna enter. I'm not gonna re-enter, here, because then my stop loss would be so bad. So yeah, I messed up. I was supposed to pass my evals today, but can't complain about it. And yeah, it was quite stupid. Also, there was a trade on ES to one of those highs that I was really checking it yesterday, but I hesitated. And yeah, here I hesitated on this trade, but I knew that a break even was like for sure. And for me, this was the trade. This was the trade. Okay. Sorry, I think my interest was a bit later because I remember my TP being edged. Yeah, something like that. Something like that, sorry. So I was not going to get TP. It was going to be break even, because we have fully on reversed. But yeah, I hesitated. I didn't enter on it, but it was on my mind. And so yesterday I closed my day with a $175 P&L profit because, like I said, I closed automatically. And then today, on the day, I was actually pretty confused, honestly. The hourly was fucking confusing me, I mean, I was bearish for sure, but the times, like how many times we come down and we just fucking keep projecting it, like we just keep being on this range, it made me a little bit uncomfortable, like here, 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 like we're struggling to pass this price level. Like fuck this shit, I didn't want to trade on this. So yeah, I did trade on it because right off market open, ES shut the bed, and we went to those lows And this massive candle here, the massive 1 minute candle, closed pretty bearish, right? Like this gave me certainty that we want those lows on how much volume the market moved, right after 9:31. But we edged them. We edged them. And also MNQ was like more bullish pair, so we weren't even close to the lows. And there was nothing holding price back. Like we were gonna take these lows regardless, off market open. And somehow I went to the 30-second chart and I entered once this candle closed. Like we went and I didn't believe the price was gonna do that, but I said if it does, I'm gonna take it. And once he came here on this 30-second gap and we did this candle, I entered a position with a 1-to-1, 1-to-1.12 anyway. And I made $1,000. Why did I only make $1,000 and not 1,350, which was what I needed to be, like two trade eval type thing? I took it on a 1,000 because I didn't have enough points. I had only 30 contracts, right? So yeah, I got like I think literally $1,000 profit, and then and then I was like, okay, I need to look for a trade that will give me $350 for the day, because I don't want to have like 1,150 balance, because then I will need 2 more trades to pass the eval, and I'm planning to risk the whole shit on the next trade and pass the eval on the next trade. I'm planning to get 1,500 risk, 1,500 profit straight up, because I want to pass the eval quick, since this one is the one with activation fees, which I prioritize less, right? Okay, so I entered this and I was like, okay, I need to find another trade. What do? We reject the lows, we start going back. Once this candle flipped in here, this candle flipped once this candle flipped on ES, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna stay on ES because MNQ, like I said before, was more bullish, right? So what do? The size of this fucking candle, 75-point candle right here, and that's right where I fucking entered. And I'm pretty sure my thing was like here or something. I entered like something like this, stop loss, technically not safe. Yes, but it was a $350 trade on my eval just to complete like the P&L for the day, And for me, in my mind, with this volume, every time that the market flips like this, with this volume, we're not gonna even retrace until the middle of the candle. We're just gonna keep going up, up, up without even entering any gaps. And that's at least what I noticed from the market, Meaning I entered on this candle because I knew that if I tried to wait like for more confirmation, that we're gonna go higher, and I wait for a gap tap, the market was not gonna give me that, because the market just keeps flushing up and up and up and up and up, or it can also be down and down and down, but like it will not give me a setup. So I just straight up aggressively entered, like I did yesterday. This trade is very similar to the one that happened yesterday, because yesterday ES edged a 4-hour high. Like on this trade here, guys. No, sorry, not ES, MNQ. My bad. I'm sorry. So MNQ, we edged. ES edged a 4-hour high, and both pairs dumped at the same time. However, MNQ was more bearish, so I took it on MNQ. But yeah, so the edge of yesterday. Let me show you the 4-hour. No, sorry. Yeah. So here. So yesterday, right? New York session. Yeah. Pay attention, okay? This is, let's say, the 4-hour high. We edged it. We didn't sweep it. We edged it. And then MNQ and ES both did that big ass candle, so I entered yesterday, just like I entered today, For example, right now, it's late in the session, it's 11:14, and the market seems like it wants to fucking move. God damn it. We just swept that high. Let's see. How did we sweep that high? Yeah. We swept that high like shit, so no trades were available in here. I mean, personally for myself. But yeah, so those were the 2 trades for the day and the trade of yesterday. I'm really, really happy actually. Like, I mean, yesterday I was completely so stupid. Like, I was supposed to pass this eval today, and I was so stupid with it. Totally my fault though. I was stupid of not checking the thing before I go in the charts. But usually I come back from university and like the market opens and I'm still in the bus. So I need to trade from my phone. Like, I'm not sitting here, comfortably looking at my PC. I wish I was, only Thursdays and Mondays I'm like that. So yeah. But yeah. So pretty much good days. Now I have one trade to pass, and I mean, in case I pass these sets of evals, I'm not gonna pay the activation fee yet. I'm gonna try to pass these two no activation fees account. If I blow them, it's okay. I mean, I already have a XFA passed. I'm gonna pay the $300, 150, and get the XFAs on these accounts here, and then I'm gonna trade these accounts, so these two accounts and these two accounts. So I'm gonna have 4 accounts at the same time, and I'm gonna full port the first trade, $700. If I lose these two, which were the ones that I already took the payout from, they blow, but I stay with those. I don't know if you guys understood. I mean, in case I passed them, yeah, obviously, I'm gonna try to explain a bit better. But yeah, that's my plan. I mean, I'm pretty confident. I'm trading confident. If I take a loss, it's okay. It happens. I have been in quite of a winning streak, I believe. Like, I think I have been, well, I'm not gonna count yesterday as a win because I would count it as a break even, but I have been in like a 4 win streak or maybe 3. I'm not sure actually, but I had a very bad losing streak before on these fucking XFAs when I was trying to do my winning days. Like, I kept losing winning days and winning days and winning days and winning days, and that shit was pissing me off so much. Like, I can even show you guys here. Yeah, watch this. Okay, I had this account since December. Break even, won a full port, good. Break even, half-sized loss, won a full port. My account here was super positive. It was 1,200 or 1,100. I don't remember. Then look, I'm like, okay, I got my 2 full ports. I'm gonna go for winning days. Boom, lose winning day. Boom, lose winning day. I stayed all of this period here without trading because actually I was kind of stupid. 22 and 23rd of December, like, price action was gonna be bad. The setup was good, but price action is just still unpredictable. And then here on January, like a bit bigger than half size win, break even, lost a winning day, break even, break even, break even. These break evens are all on winning days, by the way. I'm risking $200 or $150. Then I lose a winning day again. I get a break even again on winning day, and this day, like, I swear I fucking misclicked on my phone and I entered something and I manually closed it, and it was saying closing it for $0, but it ended up being 133. So, man, you can count it also as a winning day loss. And then, boom, break even, winning day loss, big boy full port win, and then a winning day win. And then I requested my payouts, and because I also got a break even here. I don't know. Oh yeah, wait, that break even was last Friday. Yeah, okay. That was after I requested payout. Okay, I'm remembering. But yeah, sorry for the yapping for the week. Tomorrow I'm not expecting many trades. Trump speaks. I don't like to trade when Trump speaks personally. I'm pretty sure he speaks like 3 or something. Yeah, he speaks at 9 a.m. New York time. So the fucking session is gonna be cooked. But yeah, so no trades, probably expecting it tomorrow. Thursday. Thursday is a good day. Friday is a good day too. So we're gonna see. I'm probably gonna see each other. We're probably gonna see each other on Thursday or Friday because tomorrow I'm gonna be out. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and I made everything clear on what I took, why I didn't take, and for the reasons. And if you guys have any questions, I mean, you can ask me. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and if you guys like the content, support. Bye bye.